Toshi has been making big moves silently, while holding its ground on the charts better than most of the market. Even compared to utility coins, the resilience has been impressive. Recent listings on Asian exchanges and Binance futures confirm the growing momentum. I covered those in my previous video, but the bigger picture here is clear. With Binance Alpha already live, Binance Futures secured, the only piece missing is Binance International. From my perspective, that listing is not a matter of if, but when. And when it happens, it will unlock the next wave of liquidity. At the same time, the project is doubling down on Toshi Mart, a platform designed for minting meme coins on Base. Think of it as the Pump Fund equivalent, but built natively for Base. This move is highly strategic. Pump Fund doesn't exist on Base right now, and Base is positioned to become the dominant Ethereum layer. By filling this gap, Toshi has the chance to attract massive liquidity directly into its ecosystem. Toshi Mart could be the magnet that pulls creators, speculators, and investors all in one place. And when that happens, the value inevitably flows back into Toshi itself. That explains why the price action has been so steady. Even in a market full of volatility, Toshi has held stronger than projects with deeper utility promises. This isn't accidental. It's the result of strong execution, smart positioning, and a team that continues to deliver. The conviction behind Toshi has been validated every step of the way. I first spotted this at a $43 million market cap, and from then until now, the performance has spoken for itself. The chart tells its own story. The price has been holding strong at $0.0008 with a $358 million market cap, while the rest of the market struggles, and the growth trajectory remains intact. The potential upside from here is what excites me the most. Once the market recovers, Toshi is positioned to break past its previous all-time high of around $700 million market cap. The current valuation looks cheap compared to the runway ahead. In fact, if the team continues on this pace, Toshi could cement itself as the true mascot of Base. Some would even argue it's already surpassed projects like Brett in terms of hustle and execution. If Base captures the scale it's projected to, being its leading mascot meme coin would give Toshi exponential growth potential. From my perspective, the realistic growth range sits between $10 billion and $20 billion in market cap. At today's prices, that translates to a 30 to 60 times opportunity. The bull case stretches even further. If Toshi truly becomes the face of Base, surpassing $20 billion is not out of the question. That's why I've kept the title straightforward. Just buy 1 million Toshi coins. At roughly $850, it's not a massive risk, but the upside is enormous. Of course, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. I'm simply sharing my own perspective and the conviction I have based on my analysis. In markets like this, conviction pays. I've always said, wealth doesn't come from following the crowd. It comes from identifying conviction plays early, sizing them responsibly, and letting time do the heavy lifting. Dr. Money Glitcher.